It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've also got our child lock button, as well as our programmable memory seat and our power liftgate dial. Down below we've got our premium Bose sound system, and we have a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Next we've got our power sunroof, and I'll hop right in and we'll take a look at our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. On this side of the steering wheel we've got our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. And on this side we have our audio buttons. Over here we've got our digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by simply pushing the buttons on the steering wheel. Up above we've got our power sunroof buttons, as well as OnStar and our programmable garage door opener. Down below we've got GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen also has navigation and doubles as our backup camera. Over here we've got our push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning, our park reverse drive buttons, and some USB plugins, as well as an SD card and a power plug-in. Over here we've got heated front leather seats, we've got hill descent control, lane departure, 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as our off-road mode. And inside the center console we've got 2 USB plug-ins as well as a light, and it's quite deep and spacious in there. At the front of the Terrain we've got some fog lights, 19-inch wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine. Our door handles have intelligent access on them, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, you simply push any of those silver buttons and it will lock or unlock the doors for you. At the rear, we've got our power lift gate, so we can pop that open with the push of a button. Right inside the trunk of the Terrain, we've got 2 levers to fold those rear seats down. We've got some cargo hooks, as well as a power plug-in, as well as some storage compartments located down below. Next, we'll take a look in the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of those front seats, we've got a couple of seat pockets. Down below, we've got 2 USB plug-ins, as well as a 120-volt power plug-in. Our center seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And these rear seats fold down with the click of a button for those longer, larger items we'd like to stow away in the back. So come take a look at this 2020 GMC Terrain SLT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.